Hello everyone and welcome back. So last week I promised you guys sketching and I have it, and I even did it in one go. So I'm going to show you the footage and I'll catch up with you at the end. Okay, so here we have it. I think I'm happy with it. I managed to do it in one go. And there is a couple of bits that I would change though. So this top bit here of the flowers, the leaves, I'd have that kind of more pointed, the middle one. And then I'm not happy with these leaves at the bottom here. But apart from that, I like it. So I wanted, because we've got flowers on the other side of the hat that we made last week, and I've made some more, this will go on the other side. So I didn't want a full side of it. So I wanted to go for more of a bouquet look. So I'm hoping that that kind of comes across as more of a bouquet look. But I like it, and I'm glad I did it in one go. Because nobody wants to see me have a sketching video that takes 3 hours. It only really took maybe 20 minutes, which is quite good. Okay, so next week we're transferring that image onto a hat, and then we're going to burn it. Then we're going to put the flowers onto it and create a beautiful hat. So thanks very much for coming and hanging out, guys. If you'd like to subscribe, please do so. Also, make sure you hit the like button, because that tells YouTube that you guys want to see more of these videos. I'll see you next week.